Young farmer Kobe wakes up excited because today is the day he finally gets to sell his first big harvest. Kobe loads his shiny baskets of tomatoes and carries them to the busy market, hoping to impress the biggest vendor in the village. The vendor, Mr. Bloxley, shakes his head and rejects the tomatoes, saying they are too soft and not good for selling. Kobe feels embarrassed as other players look at him. Instead of giving up, Kobe returns to his farm, digs deeper into his land, and discovers a hidden patch of golden carrots growing behind a rock. On his way back to the market, a sudden Roblox storm hits. The wind knocks over his cart and some carrots scatter on the ground. Kobe gathers the remaining carrots, cleans them, and rushes back to the vendor with determination in his eyes. The market is closing, players are packing up, and Kobe sprints through the crowd to reach Mr. Bloxley before he leaves. The vendor inspects the golden carrots, smiles, and buys everything at a high price, turning Kobe into the richest new farmer in Roblox Valley.
What if I told you the video you just watched was made purely with AI? This is what I'm going to be teaching you in this video, and you want to stay from the beginning to the end of the video because you are definitely going to learn one or two things in this video. And if you also notice something in that video, there is a consistency in the storytelling. Where it ended, it also continues from there. So the character that is playing here, that plays the role of the farmer, still has a consistent character. And this is what I'm going to be teaching you in this video. So let's get started. So the first thing you definitely want to do is you want to get your script right. So once you are done getting your script right, you want to get your prompt to generate those pictures you want to use for your content. And I have generated some of them here on my ChatGPT, and this is definitely from another story. And I think I'm going to be talking about this content in my next video, but let's deal with it first. And the first thing you want to do is you want to copy this prompt and come down to Grok. Paste the prompt under Imagine. So you copy the prompt from ChatGPT, then you paste it on Imagine. And the next thing you want to do is you want to click on video generation, and then you also click change the aspect ratio to any size you want to create, and you click on send, and automatically it is going to start generating your video. So let's wait for that to generate. You see, this has generated, and this is according to what is on this prompt. You see, it has generated. So the next thing you want to do is you want to pause this and drag here to the last face. And what you want to do is you want to right click on this video and copy video frame. Then you come here and paste that. So the next thing you want to do is you want to come to your scene 2 of your image or video prompt. Then you come here and paste this here. So before you paste this here, or before you click on send or go, you have to change something or turn off something, and that is automatic generation. And how do you do that? You come to this small icon here, then you come to settings, then you scroll down to behavior, and then you scroll down to toggle this one off, which is enable automatic video generation. What this does is immediately you paste your video frame to this side here, automatically it's going to generate video. It will not wait for the prompts that we pasted here. So it's going, so that is what you've stopped here. This is why we were able to paste these prompts here. Then all you have to do is just click on send, and it is going to start generating. So automatically it is going to start the next video from this actual point that it stopped. Do you understand? And just as you can see, it started from where it actually stopped. And see, you see, dragging them to the market to give to a seller, to give to a vendor. And so the next thing you want to do is you will also repeat the same process, but this time around, so you repeat the same process, you copy video frame. But this time around, if you look at here, you see that this option is not available for you to paste anything again. It's very simple. All you have to do is just come down to these favorites, click on it, and then you paste that here. You paste it here, and then you come back to your third prompt, and then you copy that, then paste that, then you paste that here. Then the next thing you do is just click on send. It's going to automatically start this scene from here and take it up like that. So while we wait for that to generate, let me use this opportunity to introduce to you my one-on-one coaching class that I offer to anybody that is interested. And this class is all about me teaching you how you can get monetized faster, some of the things you need to start doing that you're not doing right, how you can set your channels right, and also how to pick a niche that is currently trending. And trust me, this is not just a class. This is a mentorship class for a month. And everything I'm going to be teaching you from A to Z is what you truly need to get your account monetized faster, and not just get your account monetized faster. In this class, I'm also going to be teaching you how you can get 3 accounts monetized faster, minimum within a year. You are also going to have access to a community where like-minded video editors are also creating content and posting content, and also updating themselves with what is trending in the faceless YouTube economy. And in case you are interested, use the link in the description to reach out to me. So let's get back to the video. So you see, it has generated the video from where it stopped the other time. And as you can see, this was where it stopped. Then you see, it's continued from there. So you also apply this same strategy to all of the prompts you have. So once you are done generating all of your videos, the next thing you want to do is you want to come and download the video one by one. Click on the first video, then you come here, then you click on upscale video. So if you upscale the video, it is going to make the video more clearer than what you are seeing currently. So it's going to make the video more clearer. So once you are done upscaling, just click on download. Once you are done downloading, all of the videos are going to appear. So all you have to do is just copy all of this video and copy them down to CapCut. And this is where you do the final or the heavy edits you want to do. So all you have to do is just one by one apply the video to each slot where it belongs to. Then just do like that, do that. So apply them one by one, and once you're done, apply them one by one. So here, just where it's speaking, okay, reverse back from here to here. So we take down that, okay, give to the vendor, give to here. So give it to the vendor, and the vendor rejected it. Then the next thing is going to be this. So it was rejected, then went back to fan, then inside the fan we saw some potato, start it, and out, switch from first, then out, so this is how you're getting the list for video, and just to make sure it fits the story you are speaking about. So that is going to be this. So we have it here like this, then alright, so this is going to be here. It's going to be here, it's going to be here. This is going to be here. Alright. So the last one is going to be this, very interesting. And so you play this, you see everything looks very, very good. So all you have to do is just add a voiceover to it, and you are good to go. So do you find value in this video? If yes, like this video, drop a comment in the comment section, and turn on your post notification, because the next video I'm about to do, it is what is trending currently, and this is what you can definitely jump on and start making good money from. So I'll see you in my next video.